Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be in my garage working on my CRV. There's an issue with the latch of the seat actually not going down. I'll show you in a minute, but I'm going to try to do a repair. I already bought the part. I know there's a video out there that you actually can do some mods to it without buying the part to make it work, but I really don't want to go through all that process. So I thought it'd be easier, just spend the money and just replace that part. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about real quick. So up here, this like a switch, where you pull this up and your seat's supposed to go down, but right now it's stuck. So right now, the only way for you to open it is that if you put a screwdriver in there, and the seat will go down, and that's the only way. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna pull the seat down and I'm gonna try to do the rest of the repair process. All right, as you can see, I have the seat down where I can probably remove the plastic trim part right here. So I'm gonna show you the part number. This is from Honda. It's 82220-T0A-A03. So this is the right side. The left side is a different part number. So mine's only broken on the right side, on the passenger side. So what you have to do is get a screwdriver here, or a plastic trim removal tool. Remove this, and we're gonna take this out. So I'm gonna be right back. All right, so I removed the two pieces. This is what it looks like. So the best thing is to actually use this trim removal tool right here. You can just pry it open. Now once you pry it open, you just give it a little pull, and it's gonna pull up just like that, and then you have access to the part. And what makes it easier is that there's a zipper here. You can actually unzip it to make it easier to replace the part. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna show you guys where the bolts are. So these are 12mm bolts. So there's one right there. So there's three. There's a second one right there, and the last one is just behind that. Let me see if I can give a better picture, better angle. Yeah, it's right there. So you got to remove those three bolts and just remove the part. So I'm going to be right back. All right, so I got this removed. So once you remove this, there is two cables right here. The gray is on the top, and the clear or white cable is on the bottom. And then you got to connect that into that piece over there, which basically able to pull. My part is broken, as you can see. That's why I'm not able to do anymore. So I'm going to remove that and then switch out the part. All right, I'm back. So here is the new part. Just remember to put the cable right here with the ball inside the gold socket. The gray cable goes on top, and the white cable goes on the bottom. So it goes in like that. I don't know. Let's see if I can get a better angle. And then make sure you just put back where the mounting points are on these two rubber stays over here. So just connect those and then put it back, and that's pretty much it. All right, so I reassembled the part here back, and all you gotta do is basically zip up, tuck the pieces back here in, and just place back the plastic trim piece here, and you'll be done. So here's a look at my old one. As you can see here, this part broke, so this is why I wasn't able to pull it down any longer. So, and I'm gonna try this right now. All right, so this is replaced, and then before it wasn't working, now it's all fixed. All right, so that's it, guys. So this is all fixed away, and so please like and subscribe to my videos. I'm gonna try to make some more like these. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.